Voltage transformer. It is necessary to transform the power system primary voltage down to a lower voltage to be transferred to the process bus to IED, base controller and station computer. Okay, through process bus to IED, base controller and station computer. Secondary side is 110 voltage, primary side is 66 kV electromagnetic transformers, that is 132 kV and above we use for the capacitor voltage transformer. So if the primary voltage is 66 kV, then we use a electromagnetic voltage transformer. If it is a 132 kV and above, capacitor voltage transformer we use. Accuracy classes such as 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 1, 3 are commonly available. Accuracy classes. Okay. Up to 11 kV optical CVT are used. Up to 11 kV optical CVT are used. Above 11 electromagnetic voltage transformer and above, that is 132 kV above capacitor voltage transformer are used. Okay. So you can observe for high voltage CVT. Okay. For high voltage CVT, HV terminal, the capacitors are connected. Reactor, it is step down transformer, Z burden. And here also you can observe this is a stack of capacitors, porcelain or composite insulator. Okay. So C1, C2 optoelectronic circuit, that is solidly earthed base tank. It is a solidly earthed base tank. This is a solidly earthed base tank, and digital output to an optical fiber. This will convert the digital output to an optical fiber. So here the basic arrangement of a high voltage CVT is a capacitor divider. Okay. You can observe, here we are used capacitors. So that is a capacitor divider, a series reactor and a step down transformer. The voltage is first step down to a high value by a capacitor divider and further reduced by the transformer. So first the capacitor will reduce and next step down transformer will reduce. That is what they have said. A high voltage CVT is a capacitor divider, a series reactor and a step down transformer. The voltage is first step down to a high value by capacitor divider and further reduced by the transformer. This is about the voltage transformer. They ask question like this: explain about the CVT and CT. Okay. So if they ask both, then this is enough for 5 marks. Okay. So this is 5 marks and CT also 5 marks. Okay.